In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Freshsales for cold calling. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. Cold calling from Freshsales is designed to be quick because you can place a call directly from a contact record without copying and pasting a number. Before you begin, it is important to know that the call dialer icon will only work if your account has calling enabled, which typically requires a paid phone number connected to Freshsales. If you do not see the dialer option later, that is usually the reason. First, look to the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales. This is where the main modules live. Find and click on the Contacts module. This takes you to your contacts list view, where you can scan through records and choose the person you want to call. If you have a long list, take a moment to visually confirm you are in the correct workspace and looking at the right set of contacts, so you do not accidentally call the wrong record. Once you are in the list view, locate the contact you plan to call. Move your cursor over the name of that record. In Freshsales, hovering over the name reveals quick actions, which helps you work faster without opening the full contact page. As you hover, watch for the phone icon to appear next to the phone number. This icon is the call dialer button. When you are ready to place the call, click that phone icon. Freshsales will initiate the call through the built-in dialer using your connected calling setup. At this point, stay on the screen so you can follow the call status and remain ready to take notes immediately after the conversation. If the phone icon does not appear, double-check that the contact record actually has a phone number saved and confirm that your Freshsales plan includes a provision number for calling. When everything is set up correctly, this click-to-call workflow keeps your outreach smooth and reduces dialing errors. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.